Okay, listen to this engine. Okay, everyone, here we go again. So I fixed one side. See that? I fixed one side, and as you can tell right there, you have that clamp right there. It's holding, working perfect. And then this one came off. I just can't get a break, you guys. I really can't. Oh my God. Okay, once again, you'll need exhaust tailpipe. Okay, and then a little quick fix. That's about $8. And then you'll need tiger patch. Okay, so we're gonna clean the rust off first. Okay, clean the rust off here just as much as you can. You don't really have to go crazy on it, just as much, just so you can put the tape on and it sticks. Okay. So basically, this thing comes apart like this. Okay, it comes off on both sides, so you don't want to take all of it off. Take half off and wrap it around, and then take the other half of this paper off. Okay. If it's not one thing, it's another, so it never stops. You fix one problem, and then there's more. Oh. Okay, everyone, here goes nothing. Come on, baby, please. Just for me, don't. Because I will go crazy, I swear. Oh, yeah. Can you hear that? Woo!